Vegan drinks milk. Vegan drinks milk for the first time of the year.
No clickbait.
No clickbait. For real.
Y'all come, somebody come get your goddamn.
Check it out, you got me mesmerized with your black hair and your fat ass thighs. Street poetry is my everyday, but yo, I gotta stop when you drop my weight. If I was working at the club, you would not pay. Hey yo, my man Fife Diggy, he got something to say. I like them brown, yellow, Puerto Rican.
What's up, YouTube? It's K and Mari ENT, and
today we have an unboxing for you guys.
what's up, y'all?
How y'all doing today? How y'all doing out there? I hope y'all having a good day. I hope everything is going well for you all like it's going for us.
I'm Kay.
And I'm Mari.
Hello, everyone. How are you guys doing?
You having a good day?
Of course, all the time. But like she said, today we are doing an unboxing. So it's called Earthbox. So
we'll have the description, the
down
link in the
below.
description down below. And y'all are gonna be so, like, I know y'all probably like, oh my gosh, like, what are they doing? Y'all, we have
Where
an
we
update.
been? Where?
We have an
Yo,
update, of course.
Yo, bear with us. We had to, we trying to update for y'all. We trying to update for us.
We had to update. We had to do a full update, full upgrade.
Transformation, man.
Fully. So now y'all seeing this in HD. No more recording on our phones. We have better quality content.
We got us
coming.
a camera.
Yes. So
we finally got us a camera.
a good camera too, y'all. So y'all gonna be able to see
camera,
us
man.
all pixelized and so.
Yeah. We got this unboxing I found
Earthbox.
Earthbox.
Yeah.
URTH. So
first thing we have coming for y'all, we do have a vlog coming for y'all from when we went out of town.
Right.
For our whole
this
vacation.
video will probably be up before you.
Yeah, so we have a whole vlog coming for y'all. Then we have more vlogs coming. We have some surprises for you guys.
We have weekend vlogs coming
every weekend.
So I want y'all to go ahead, if y'all are new, hit that subscribe button down below.
Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
Yeah.
Like, so many people we come in contact with want to know about the vegan thing. So many people want to know about our relationship.
Yeah.
We have so much to share with y'all.
And we've been updating, we've been getting prepared and ready for y'all. Mari been anxious to open this box since last night, y'all.
Yeah.
So she got her pin cap to open the box.
It's
so
over.
let's get into this unboxing. Y'all go ahead and smash the like button.
Smash that like button. Let us get, how many likes, babe? Let us get 30 likes and we'll do another Earthbox unboxing.
But this is a vegan version. So let's go. Go ahead, baby. Get in there. Let's start off with the first thing. Let's post a picture, babe. Let's get a picture real quick. Y'all go ahead and screenshot this, man.
Screenshot this, y'all.
Hashtag KMRENT.
Yep.
Hit us up on Instagram or Twitter.
Facebook, Twitter, whatever.
You know.
But yeah, y'all.
So we did that part. So let me go to the next part.
All right, this is the first thing that we got.
We gotta get the focus right. There we go. That's the first thing. Let me just double check because it says potatoes, sunflower oil, and salt.
Taste one and describe it. That tastes like some regular kettle chips.
They're pretty good. I like them. We're gonna rate them 1 out of 5, 5 being the best. What you got?
A 1. I mean, they're just some regular chips.
That's it? A 1?
They
I give
got no
them.
spunk.
I give them about a 3.5. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna pull out is we got this.
Organic protein powder.
Organic protein plant-based nutritional shake. I'm not gonna actually make this because we actually have some of this downstairs, and it's just protein powder.
I guess the what's the name may not be that bad. The chips, they're not that bad. They actually alright.
Okay, so Mari, you gonna get the next? You wanna get the next treat? while you still eating chips. Put the chips down. Chips over with.
Alright. The next thing is this Raw Bite coconut bar.
I'm not sure.
It says organic fruit and nut bite. Raw Bite organic coconut. So let's see, y'all.
You got dairy in it? Make sure.
It doesn't have any dairy in it.
Okay.
It looks like just a fruit bar.
Let's see. It smells like a granola bar. This is how it looks outside the package. Pretty thick, if you ask me. What you think?
It's almost like a protein bar, but it doesn't have that bad aftertaste.
Yeah, it tastes,
Why the vegan unboxing gotta be so boring?
it's not, this is just a small box, that's why.
It's all healthy stuff. With a barbecue flavored chips.
Okay. Yeah, it tastes to me like an almond joy without the chocolate.
Let's see if they got some unhealthy stuff in here.
Okay. So, the next treat we got, y'all, is fruit to go. No, just fruit to go, back. Alright. So, from the looks at it, before I even open up, it says vegan, nut free. It says apple and raspberry. To me, it reminds me of like it's gonna be like a fruit roll up or something of that nature. What we got?
It looks like licorice.
Yeah, looks like it's like a pull apart. It's so sticky. I can't even
It's
get
like
it
a
out.
pull apart thing.
I'm trying to get it out, y'all. Hold on. There we go.
It's almost like a fruit roll up, huh?
Give it a try, babe. Oh man, I don't like that. It's kind of hard.
It looked like licorice. Look, it's like straw.
But you played it like a flute.
A flute is played like that or a clarinet?
A flute.
A flute is played like that.
Oh, you're right. All right. But it's kind of. Oh damn, man! You gotta take your teeth out with that one, huh? I had a piece.
I know.
Then don't feed me no more unless I ask for it. I'm good, baby.
Eat this damn thing.
Stop.
No, I wanted that.
Did y'all hear that? That was thick, bro. That thing felt.
This was good.
The flavor is good. I ain't gonna lie.
So eat it.
Damn,
Damn, not all of it. Damn.
Num.
She knows.
Your turn, babe. What you got? What you got?
Pyro Crisp. I said Pyro Crisp. Not the gang, y'all. It's Pyro Crisp. And y'all will see why I accidentally called it Pyro Crisp.
If you get back, where you going with it?
Why it won't focus, y'all?
Take it to the lens. There you go. Down. There's the lens. You see that big circle thing?
All right, well, it's some tea biscuits, y'all. May contain traces of milk.
Oh no, they playing games, man. They playing games.
What does may mean? Either it does or it don't.
That's like, so somebody might be messing around and just
Pyro Crisp. Either it does or it don't.
I guess we could try like a look. I'm gonna show y'all what that means in just a second. Like this is a no. So this is like a
Why you want me to try it?
Babe, get you some of this
Get you some of that.
Wait, look, we're gonna do it
Eat
together.
it.
Come on, we're gonna do it together.
Take yours first.
Oh, look, I'm gonna just look.
Really, nigga?
She can't stop. Eat it. Go on and eat it. Traces of milk.
Can't do it, I can't.
Vegan drinks milk. Vegan drinks milk for the first time in a year.
No clickbait.
No click. For real.
Get your nail.
All that.
My turn. Oh, I like this one. I like how this is packaged up. Let's see. Vegan friendly. This thing look like some, what is this? Huma?
Energy gel?
Chia.
Huma. That's the name of the Huma.
Y'all come, somebody come get your goddamn. So, Lord.
I like sucking thumbs.
Back up, girl. So yeah, let me get the focus off my wife real quick. So
Stop.
That's what it is. The camera love her, and that's why we can't show y'all. It's not when you take the focus off wifey.
You so sweet, but I can't see myself.
Look at when we take the
so nice, but
alright, let's try this Chia Gel Huma. Oh y'all, oh, it's dripping, y'all. Oh, look at it. Let me get the focus off of her real quick so y'all can see.
Why you being so mean?
I'm not. I just want them to see the little drip.
They can see it.
Oh, it's dripping. It's energy. Oh my gosh, I'm about to.
Why you ain't just squirt some on your hand? Nasty fuck. Give it to me. Give it to me.
Got a lot of it in my mouth.
That's
I
nasty.
just had to hurry up and swallow it. It was like mushy gel.
Ugh. Why it look like that? Ah!
Eat it, mama.
You supposed to be nice to me.
Go ahead, get you some energy now. Get you some of that.
It smell like
Get.
it smell like meat.
Oh God. Get you some of that energy. She be playing, y'all.
Is this a prank? Hell no.
What?
Hell no. Hell no.
Not to the jail.
You squirt all that shit
You
in your
gotta
mouth.
get you a lot of it,
It's
baby.
salty.
It ain't salty.
It ain't sweet. On to the next.
Alright, what you got, babe?
So I got a sucker.
They got a little lolly.
I got
What's the name of your lolly?
I got a lollipop. A little lollipop.
Ow.
Damn, Kayana. You almost took my hand clean off. Alright, y'all, so
Show the people you about to.
I want to read it first.
Oh yeah, what is that?
It's by Tree Hugger.
Aww.
Am I the tree?
Oh, you
The
right.
fuck? Like,
I'm just playing.
give me a kiss, baby.
You deserve a
Give me
hug. We not about to do it. Oh, Coco don't like kisses. Our dog do not like when we kiss for some reason.
And I don't give a damn who like it. Cause this is what it is. And this is what it's been.
When me and Kamaria is like showing a little like she look, y'all don't see her right now, but Coco, well y'all might see her. Do y'all see Coco right here? No.
Coco, we kissing.
Mwah, mwah.
Nah, sexy ass. Girl, I just wanna.
She don't like that.
Nah.
Coco was minding her own
That's
business.
cause Coco is Kayana's second bitch. Alright y'all, so this is the Sucker by Tree Hugger. And it's pineapple flavored.
Ooh, that's gonna be nice.
Y'all, it ain't trying to focus.
So this is how
Okay, you gonna get it to work better?
right.
You gonna get it to work
What I say,
better?
y'all? Take the focus off of wifey.
They still can't see it.
Watch this.
They still can't see it.
Take the focus off of us. It's gotta take the focus. She ain't trying to cooperate. Taste your sucker. Oh man, she about to ruin the whole.
Soy free, dairy free, no BHT. Smell it first. You gotta smell every damn thing.
But your nose ain't that big, so let me see. Yeah, you might need it. Let me see. Don't.
Your damn nose about to suck the shit up. Damn, it was like a vacuum. I was trying to fight it back.
Smell that damn sucker, girl. Chill.
Oh.
Okay, I'm not gonna want to try it if you don't.
Same time.
Mwah.
You like that, huh?
Ooh, I like that.
What's some of my challenge? Come on, act like you don't know.
The damn sucker. What's wrong with her, man? Oh, stop it. Why you had it?
You don't like that?
It's good. I like that though.
You like the sucker?
Mm-hmm.
What's up, YouTube? It's K and Mar.
Oh, it got bubble gum too, babe. A little surprise in the middle.
Ooh.
Really, nigga?
Hey. Mars from Atlanta, y'all. Born and raised.
What that mean? So is you.
You can't take the hood out the woman.
Kayana.
But
Kayana, you hood. Kayana, you hood.
Okay,
I'm not hood.
Tap, tap, tap. Put your sucker up. Sucker up. Sucker time over.
Hell no. So you can have it for later now.
But anyway, y'all, I was trying to show y'all until she rudely interrupted. Stop. Why you keep moving my hand? I'm trying to take the focus off.
Because you covering my face. And they need to see me. Comment if y'all want to see the sucker rapper or Mari. Hashtag which one you want. Sucker rapper or Mari. And let's see. They don't want to give a damn about the damn sucker rapper. They want to see Mari. Okay, so the sucker is by Tree Hugger. It's pineapple flavored. It tastes a little sour and a little pineapple-y. Now let's go.
Give me that. Hey, this is my. So we at the final.
I got my snacks, y'all. These are my two favorite. The sucker and the chips. I taste the gum. Last thing last.
Last but not least. I mean, well.
Last thing last. Okay.
This is my treat. You did the sucker.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't. Mari do not know how to take turns. It's always her way. This damn shit. Give me the damn.
Okay, here. Go ahead. Here.
That's she looking at it like
Have it. Have it.
It was at this moment that he knew she fucked up.
Hurry up. People want to see you try that shit.
You're gonna try it. Nutivia, Nutra.
Nutivia.
Nutivia, Nurture.
It's only one T there. So what make you think it's Nutivia? It's Nutivia, like you said the first time.
Man, let's get back. Get back. Here y'all go. Y'all give it a pronunciation.
If they can see it. Comment down below if y'all can't see none of this shit.
She's. Oh, yeah.
Damn.
You got the gum? Thick ass teeth. So, I'm gonna give it a try. I ain't got no crackers or nothing. But it's alright. It say dark. And this is vegan. So people be like, ooh. It's probably like Nutella. That's what it looks like.
Vegan lesson number 1, y'all. Always read the ingredients before you taste shit.
I did.
You just ate something with milk in it again. Since you want to snatch it out my hand and slap it with me. A vegan eats milk, a whole glass full of milk, basically. And that one sip. Don't spit it out, you nasty. And it said,
I'm suing they asses.
it said milk.
God damn it,
It said
man.
milk solids.
What is a milk? Oh, I'm glad I didn't swallow it. I did taste it though.
Vegan class 101. Just because it's chocolate, don't mean you eat that shit.
Just because it. That was just ruined it. I like the energy. It's giving me so much energy that I'm eating the wrong shit. But
why you want to slap me with the packet?
no. Why you? I'm not choking.
You will be with that milk in there.
Shut up.
You're gonna have diarrhea.
I make sure I drink lots of water.
So you still gonna have diarrhea.
I know you ain't talking.
I ain't eating no milk solid.
Oh man, that's y'all wrong. Might not
Vegan
do.
tries milk for the first time in a year and a half. Yeah, let that be your thumbnail. The diarrhea face.
You can get some of this stuff up here.
But anyway, y'all.
Y'all, comment down below your best and favorite part of this unboxing.
This gum has the texture of a Skittle.
Okay. So, I hope y'all liking the new view. Y'all can see clearly now. The phones are gone. Go, take it away, Mari.
Stop it. Give me a kiss.
That's just about to come at me.
I'm about to come.
So, yeah, I hope y'all subscribe to this channel.
Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for more of us, more of Kay and Mari, ENT. Hit that post notification bell so y'all can see when we post a new video.
Hey.
Thanks for rocking with Kay and Mari, ENT.
Earthbox. We ain't even rate the rest of them because they just started getting real crazy with adding that milk, traces of milk stuff.
Babe, you drunk some milk? A whole glass worth.
Need some milk. They try to play me, man.
That vegan shit ain't no joke, y'all. You better start watching your ingredients. But you end up drinking a whole jar of milk, aka puss.
Yeah, another.
Alright, y'all. Before Kay gets too educational, we're gonna hit y'all with another video next time. We'll see y'all soon.